good evening everyone. We are at Gitega right now. We are entering to Gitega and we are going to show night view of Gitega town. So and this is the biggest town in Burundi after Bujumbura, and this is the former capital of Burundi. No, sir? Political capital of Burundi. Hey. So this is the view you can see. Night time Gitega. Just enter in town, so slowly we can see the beauty of Gitega town. Burundi, never seen before, first time on YouTube. Anything else? No, sir, you can explain also.
So it is big town.
Yes.
Second one. The first one is Bujumbura, second one is Gitega.
Speak loudly, Papa.
Yes.
Bado Nyama Mujiri Tayari, speak loudly.
There's too much avocado. Take too much avocado.
Boca too much. Bijumba.
Cassava, marage, nyama za ndizi,
nyama kinono. Everything is there in Gitega. You can come and enjoy.
Yes. Too much hotel.
Yes, too much hotel. You can stay anywhere.
Gitega, yes.
This is good. They have a supermarket, petrol station. So we are going to eat. We are going for dinner. Find some best restaurant in Gitega and eat. Then we can go home. So that's for today. Peace out.